Hoping this will be a learning space, a place to gather. So the idea is that we have shade. Once you have shade, you can gather. When we first arrived, it's in August, is the first, in the fall. Very hot here. It's in the hundreds, usually over 100. And there's no shade. We're on a hill basically facing south, so we're just cooking the whole day. As time went on, there was a lot of shade cloths and different things that were put in. One big goal of mine is to basically figure out a way to replace shade cloths. We have been putting in trees and things like that, but you can't just like take a really hot, arid place and put a tree in it.
What are these? These are flowers. Which one?
I happen to like permaculture just because there's a lot of ethics involved in the design process. You have to step into that. So you need to build up moisture. You need to, not cut everything down so it gets really hot. You need to keep the different levels so it has, micro areas with shade, and that all works together to keep it more moist. It's really actually, permaculture is like a design, it's a set of design principles and ethics.
This one? This one, yeah. This one's bigger, this one's more ripe.
So one of the first systems we put in was our butterfly garden. There is a path here, and this is our butterfly garden. The sink here, you can see the sink from inside the bathroom, and from here it comes out here. This is just some piping, random piping we found. The kids did that with me, and we had a fun time trying to figure out this pipe's laying around here and this is here and fixing it together.
You think it's a good answer, raise your hand. Yes, Hamza?
And there's some native plants in here too. There was some milkweed in here. I don't see it at the moment. And then these are pigeon peas. This is actually edible. We're gonna hopefully propagate these. Here's a little passion fruit right now. Kids like to collect these once in a while. These get bigger and turn purple when they're ripe. But that was one of the first systems. So they know that when they wash their hands also, that water is going right outside. It's not going to some unknown place for someone else to deal with. So we shouldn't put poisonous things in there. We shouldn't put chemicals in there that aren't good for the earth.
More mulch is being dumped.
One of the things that I'm a big proponent for is for kids to actually touch the dirt, touch water, like explore it so that like I know how it's going to behave. I know if I have this clay or this pile of dirt and I pour water on it, what's going to happen. Not because somebody told me, but because I practiced.
Very sharp. I wonder if we could. Where are we on this map right now? Let's see if you can
The dining room.
It's Inspiration Station. What about this
Trail,
one?
that trail.
And the trails act not only for access, but also to slow water down. So it has a double purpose. Slowing the water down helps the water sink in, which we need, instead of it just running off. And the paths are for that. But by creating a path, we can now access a place to put a tree. And now we have a lot more shade. We have a lot more pathways for people to be in and learn from, which we were working on today, pathways.
Yeah, should I use this?
Yeah.
Ooh, it is sharp. Where should I put this? Anywhere? What's the preferred place to put it?
In our west.
In the low spot,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
The low spot. So I'm gonna put it here.
Come. Miss Amy.
The idea is to build shade here and also food. And the sugar cane here, actually, why is there sugar cane? It doesn't have to be sugar cane. It's just that it grows easily and you can juice it and have a party. I was really hoping that the kids today they can grow it in their time that they're here, can grow it, juice it, drink it, and maybe give it to others.